picture. Elwi. Left. Elwi Cave in 3 minutes.
In 500 meters, turn right.
We are here in Elwi.
In 600 meters, turn right.
Further door.
Ha? Car park.
Yeah, ito. Birds of Prey. Dito sa kabila. Cave Car Park. Kasama sa ano natin yung Birds of Prey. Tinan muna natin yung ano. Meron ditong map. Birds of Prey Center. Itong Birds of Prey. Kasama sa ticket namin ng Birds of Prey. Nandito. Siyempre, unang-una agad is souvenir item. Hindi pa tayo nakakapunta sa Birds of Prey. Papa-validate muna namin yung aming ticket bago kami pumasok. Na-validate na yung ticket namin. May pangalan siya, oh. Mary Ellen at saka Boo. Sino kaya si Boo? May mga name siya, oh. May name. Mary Ellen. Ah, isang male at saka isang female. Hindi ko lang alam kung sino dyan ang male at saka female. Dalawa sila. Si Batty yung next. Harris Hawk. Mami, Harris Hawk siya. Ito siya pala. And then, ang kanyang kinakain is bird, rat, snake, rabbit. Batilior eagle. Ayan siya. Ayan siya. Ang pangalan niya is Batty. Yeah. Tapos, ayun siya. There. Buti hindi sila nilalamig. May mga name siya, yun ang kagandahan. This is white-backed vulture. Oh, may vulture. Dyson. Tapos ito naman is common buzzard. Common buzzard naman siya. Ano siya, eagle? Hindi rin naman siya eagle eh. Ang ano niya, ang active niya. Tingnan natin. I-zoom pa natin siya. Asan na siya? Bilis naman. Masyado naman siyang active. Lipad ng lipad. Oo. Hindi na kita makuha ng picture. Ano ba yan? Ang likod. Red kite. Red kite naman to. See?
All I know is the last one is Saoirse.
Arrows and Saoirse, ano?
Saoirse.
Saoirse?
Yeah.
Arrow and Saoirse. Sila ay red kite. Ito siya. And then, ito siya yun sa actual na bird. White-tailed sea eagle. Make some a little bit noise. Be, harap ka, be. Tapang na mukha niya, no? Parang astig siya. Crested caraca. Common raven. Ang dami niya sa atin, ah. Ang dami niya, hindi ko na i-focus.
Go like this to the wall.
Malamig. Yung height mo. Yan yung ano nila, yung
Wingspan.
Wingspan, okay.
What is your wingspan? No, doon
Wingspan.
po si Bibi doon sa 0.6.
Meron pa dito, oh. Peregrine falcon. Mas open siya, oh.
His eyes are so big.
Saker falcon. Lanner falcon. Tingnan natin to. Ano ba ito? Boodle store. Wait lang. Tingnan natin to. Kung ano natin sa likod. Here. May show. So, hintayin natin kung ano mangyayari sa kinabukasan. Baka mangyari bukas pa ito mangyari. Okay, wait lang. I-continue ko later.
I'm Sana, and together with my colleagues, we'll show you some birds flying around. But before we start flying our birds, we just have to go through a few safety tips. So, very important first question. Is there anyone here afraid of birds? But nervous? You'd be surprised how many people come here that are nervous, so no shame if you are. Please let us know if it gets too much. You can always leave or just let us know. There's no shame in it. So the birds will get quite close to you, especially the second ones will be flying. They walk straight up to you. They'll be walking through the audience. They're flying over your heads, so they get really, really close to you. So when they are right next to you, please don't touch them. I know it's very tempting. They look very fluffy. They're all captive bred and raised, so they're all zoo animals, but still they keep their wild side. So for your safety, but also for their safety, please keep your hands to yourself. Now the second ones we're going to be flying are cheeky little beaks. So any loose items, any snacks, any food you got on you, please hold on to them, try to hide them if you can. So water bottles, your tickets, they like the tickets as well, it's nice and shreddable. So try to keep it hidden if you can. Now we're going to be flying 3 birds for you, so the show is going to be 45 minutes, roughly. You actually stay standing where you are, but of course if you have to leave, you have to leave. Just make sure where is the bird. So we've got 4 landing spots all around us, so they could be on any one of those. Think of safety, and if you think you can safely leave, you can calmly do so either on your left side or your right side, whichever one is closer to you. So that's everything for safety. Are you ready to meet the first one? Yeah. Perfect. So the first one is actually going to join us from the mountainside over here. So I always like to play a game. Who's going to spot him first? So I'm going to be flying Betsy for your guys. And Betsy is our beautiful bachelor eagle. So he got really raw white wings. There he is. For anyone that hasn't spotted him yet, this is Betsy. Let's see if we can get him nice and close to you guys. And there he is. So Betsy, everyone, is he handsome? So bachelor eagle. Bachelor is actually a very old French word which means tightrope walker. Now, believe it or not, that beautiful face can actually change colors. And then white is the only color we really want to see. So white is stressed, can be scared, and sick, and to show this mood, but again for protection as well. Just put your hand close, your left hand, please. That's the one, well done. And there he is. Ooh. So he's only 2 kilos, so that's about 4 or 5 pounds. So he's not that heavy for a big bird at all.
Second bird.
So there's actually 2 of them. There they are. So we got Rule and we got Penny, and they're siblings. So Rule will be joining me, and Penny will be joining with Patrick. So crested parrots. Has everyone ever seen these before? Ever heard of crested parrots before? No. So if we Google them, it's going to get real confusing real fast. So they're part of the falcon family, but not a falcon. And you're actually going to see one later on. Little sibling argument over there, I guess. You're going to actually see a falcon after this, so you're going to see the difference between the 2 of them.
Okay, guys. Everyone enjoying themselves so far? So this is Bud, and my name is Declan, and he's the last bird in this flying demonstration today. We're obviously going to be flying more birds at 3:30 later on, but for this 1:30 display, this guy's the last one now. He's a falcon. He's a lanner falcon, that's the species. The lanners are found in Africa, but of course there's lots of different types of falcons around the world found in lots of different habitats. So for context, here in Ireland, in this country, we've got peregrine falcons, which are the fastest animal in the world. Everybody's heard of them. They're his big cousin. They're very similar to him. We also have kestrels, merlins, and other species. Now, the big thing with Bud is he's wearing a hood on his head. So this is because Raoul always runs around out the back there when he's not supposed to during the display. You guys saw him, he ran out the gate and he went into the office and stuff. Bud is waiting in the office for his turn to fly, and a big caracal will be very terrifying for a small falcon like Bud. So the hood just covers his eyes, and we train the falcons to wear these hoods when they're young. You only need to use it if you need to shut off any external stimulus to reduce them getting stressed. That's all it is. So they don't wear it long term, they don't wear it for hours at a time. It's literally just for 15 minutes while he was waiting to fly. And it's just like putting a collar on a dog or a saddle on a horse. They get used to it when they're young, and it's no big deal. So this guy's 19 years old, which is quite old for a falcon. But it also means he's very experienced and very good at what he does. So with all of the birds, we try and fly them in a way that allows them to exhibit their natural behavior. And you just want them to be doing something similar to what you do in the wild. So for the Blackie, the eagle, we released him from the hill and he circles and soars around as an eagle does. The caracaras doing exactly the same thing they would do in the wild, checking you guys out to see if you've got any food and digging through the stones and stuff. This guy, as a falcon, does anyone know what falcons like to do? Hunting, exactly, yeah. A specific kind of prey, really. But I'm just taking his hood off. I'm not biting his head off, don't worry. So they hunt. They're aerial predators. They're not scavengers. They don't dig around in the ground looking for insects or anything like that. These guys mean business.
So gusto nila maka-experience na lumipad yung ibon over their head.
Yes.
Now I think you can tell he's built a little bit different to the others, isn't he? Yeah, he feathers attached to it. And this is the bird that Bud is going to, just going to be quick. So what happens now, then the display, that he's going to try top of their head there. So I'll capture because he's done a great job there. He's got a rough couple of days with the teeth, they're not the last 2 days, but this is a nice one. It's got the wing of a quail. And when you see him up close, some of the things to look at is the big difference in his talons versus the talons of the other birds that you saw. Thank you guys, and we'll see you again. Cheers.
So, ito na ulit yung ano, yung shop center. Punta na kami dun sa Al Cave, Cave, dun daw sa taas.